Okay, so this is my little egg baby carriage with wheels, like little macaron wheels, and I just painted it. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of lightweight spackle in the bottom, and then some floral foam. I'm gonna go right in there to hold it in there, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I've got this really big grass tip, and I'm gonna first squirt some frosting in there all the way around just to fill in my gaps here. So everything will be nice and secure when it dries and get in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to lay down frosting first. It doesn't want to stick to the surface. So I'm just gonna spread some of this in there. Now, this is just spackle and Key West. And this is a little baby bunny 3D print. She's gonna, I want her to kind of stick out like that, so her ears are sticking out. So I just need to see where I need to put my grass here. So with grass, you just down and up really quick. I don't want to lose her foot there. Let me pull her out really quick. No, let's not do that. Okay. Don't want to. So I'm going to take a little bit of spackle and put it on the edge. Okay, where I want the spackle to stick. Be careful here. This is my stupid hand. I'll lean her forward just a little bit for a second. Okay. So I'm just gonna do a nice little pattern. Okay, she is ridiculous. But that's what I do. I make over the top ridiculousness. some little eggs in there. And put glitter on it. I did find a little purple bow. I'm going to put that up there instead. And we'll lean my bunny forward just a little. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to do the wheels. Since these are macaron wheels, I'm just gonna go around the edge. These forever. I don't even know where they came from. I'm going to use them on my wheels here. Just clean that up a little. Okay. Wish they were all purple. I guess I could take the time. I'll probably take the time and paint those other ones to match. That's what I'll do. But yeah, those are just like the perfect touch for that. And they also harken back to these flowers and then this bow. One more thing, because I'm just extra like that, I'm just gonna add some little drips with some puffy paint. Always gotta do one more thing. I'm gonna do that all the way around. So I added some nonpareils to the drips and some glitter. And then I realized there's not a single butterfly on this. And I just feel like that's a tragedy that has to be fixed. So I'm just gonna add some super glue right there. Let's do a little hot pink butterfly so that it pops. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. I didn't wanna like set up all my tripod and all that again. Come on, you know you wanna stick. Okay, so I got the little butterflies on here and then I put two more down here. You can buy the carriage and the little baby as a blank on my website. It's glamcandyboutique.com. Just buy the set if you want the baby and the carriage to be sized, because you can buy them separately if you just wanted the carriage or just wanted the baby.